Can you blow kisses to Olivia? Kisses. You got a pretty dress? Oh, you got a pretty Halloween dress? Are you a witch? Where's your hat? Oh, where's your hat? Where's your hat? Uh-oh, where's your hat? That's your dress. So pretty. Where's your hat? Uh-oh. Where's the hat? Where'd the hat go? Is it hat with Daddy? Does Daddy have the hat? You say hi. Hi.
Okay, great. Thank you, Bill.
Blow kisses. He's on the phone.
Sorry.
That's okay. Where's your hat? Let's get it. Let's go get your hat. No? Hi. You said hi. Hi. That's right. Good girl. Say hi. Oh, who is that? That's Livia. That's Livia. Yeah. Hi. You smiling? Can you? Yeah. Can you smile? Yes. Good girl. Where's the owl? You see an owl out there? What does the owl say? Ooh, ooh. Hi. Hi. You waving? Hi. See Mama? Say hi. Say hi, Olivia. Is that funny? Say hi, pretty girl. It's Livia. Where's your hat? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hi. Uh-oh. Where's your hat? Oh, you got a pretty dress. You saying hi? Let's see if we can get this 2 seconds on here. Just for 2 seconds. Wait. Look, look, look. Look how pretty. Where's your hat?
What's a hat?
Look. Look how pretty. Look. See if you can distract her. Look.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, look at the pretty girl with the hat.
Pretty witch.
Who's a pretty girl? Yay! Look at the hat. Yay!
That pretty girl.
You gotta watch that video from the beginning. It's pretty cute. Can you wave hi? Say hi.
There's Livia. Put your hat on. Put your witch hat on. Put it on. Put it on. Can you put it on your head? You put your witch hat on your head for the picture?
So pretty. You want to wear it? It's so pretty. Look. Say hi. You show Daddy your pretty dress? Can you smile for the camera?
Give a kiss?
Smile.
Kiss you? Want to kiss yourself?
Smile. She likes waving. Kissy kissies.